All right, I went out and I got fresh gasoline. Got about half a tank now. I'm going to start the bike. I'll try to start the bike in a few minutes, but it's so difficult to kick over. I decided I'd do a compression check and find out what's this guy holding for compression. It's got to be pretty high, as difficult as it is to kick over. So I've got the compression gauge in the right cylinder. The left cylinder spark plug is out. Let's kick it over about 10 times with full throttle and see what happens. Just one cylinder. I think that's 8. I don't know. 9. Oh, sounds weird. It's only 120 pounds. I expected 150. I don't know. I mean, I'm really not that weak. I should be able to kick that through just fine. I can kick a Norton with no problem. This one is just incredible. And it's only 120 pounds. Okay. Let's see if I can get this in. I may need Kevin down here to start this thing. Did you see how much easier the left side to kick was to kick versus the right side? I've never seen, I don't know what I've never seen. I decided it's only got 90 pounds. Let's do it again. 120 on the right, 90 on the left. Which is weird because this is the side with the blued pipes. Oh. Oh, Lord. 90 pounds. You're supposed to be within 10 pounds of each other. That's more like 30. Now 90 is marginal, but not overtly bad. It's not great. It's marginal. So we got 90 over there, 120 over here, and an old guy having a heart attack here. I'm going to take a break, then come back and try to start this thing. All right. Okay, I just invited Kevin down to kick on the kicker. He'll be here about 11 o'clock. He's tied up this morning. In the meantime, I put the plugs out on the head and grounded them with a grounding wire and kicked it over with ignition on to see the spark. And because I had trouble yesterday trying to start it before I just gave up, and I see no spark. So I'm going to show you that the grounding wire goes to the sparkler. The ignition is on, and kicking the bike over, I see no spark. Now I've got headlight. Yeah, I've got good headlight, which means I've got good battery, which means there should be ignition going to the power going to the ignition. So I'm going to take this and put it in series. This is a neon bulb, and you put it in series with the sparkler like so. Oh, this is one of these kind. Don't know if I can put it down the side. Yeah, I can get it down the side. Good. All right, now put that in there. Put this on. Never mind. This thing is, well, let's see. Let's see if I can take these off. I've got to take the cap off. What a pain. I use the plugs that you don't leave the aluminum cap on. I feel that the aluminum cap on the end of the spark plug is just one more place to have a bad connection if they're loose. So let's see. This guy is going to go in here against the cap electrode like that. This guy is going to go to the end of the sparkler like this. Okay, and then ground. And when we kick it over, if it's firing, hello, if it's firing, you should see the neon bulb flash. And I'll put that up here. So theoretically, you should be able to see it, he said with a grin. And maybe not, I don't know. Watch the bulb. Let's see if it flashes. Yep, it is flashing. See that? So I do have spark. Let me get down here closer so you can actually see the bulb. Sorry about that. Here we go. See the flash? That means we do have flash. We do have spark going to the spark plug. So we've got spark. I just can't see it. Not unusual. All right. I'm going to call it good for a while, take a rest, and let Kevin come over. Okay, and this is what a fresh pair of younger, stronger, bigger, badder legs can do. Took about 3 kicks and it started right up. I was not prepared for it to run, so I didn't even video it. He kicked it a few times and there you go. It even sounds good. Idle's good. That's your car? problem with it at all. Hold that seat up while I put that on. Oh yeah. Good oil flow. Gas leak down there from this petcock. That's the one I said I didn't like the feel from. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to change both petcocks out. I have a brand new set of petcocks over here on Fred's tank, and I'm not ready for them. So there they are. I'm going to take those out of Fred's tank and put them onto the onto this bike, so we don't have to wait for the ordering delay. You have to hit it down hard.
Yeah, I guess.
And you gotta.
Yeah, I'm gonna worry about that.
Keep turn signal back there.
Real slow.
Do this one over here.
Take a little more juice. Alright, ready? Uh-oh. No beep beep.
Rev it up. Could be the horn, could be the switch. You got check for a front brake. Front brake. Okay. Okay. I think it sounds great.
Good. You want to strobe it?
Say again?
Strobe?
Yeah,
Strobe it?
let's strobe the ignition. All right, we'll strobe it now. Okay, the bike is running very nicely, really nicely. It's a little after 12, and I'm going to call it a day because it's quite warm. Tomorrow I will tighten this up. You do that by going in here and tightening the nut in there. This petcock, the one I said I didn't like the feel, that leaks, so I have two new petcocks. I'll put those on tomorrow. And then I'll dress it up, put the side covers back on, and Kevin will come down and do a test ride. And here's the two new petcocks, brand new. What it is our good buddy Roger here in town buys, over the years, has bought out dealerships that go out of business and has all kinds of new and used parts. Those are brand new petcocks, and he had a set, so there you go. I don't have to wait 10 days while I order them. So I'll dress this thing out tomorrow morning and put these new petcocks in, and we'll do a test ride, and then I can address some of the other things. I think the front fender bolts, he wanted those checked. I'm going to fix that loose turn signal. I want to double check the oil in the primary. Something else. I've got 2 or 3 things written down. I'll address those things in the morning. Right now it's I don't even know how hot it is, but it's hot. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'll publish this and call it a day, and that's the way it is. All right, one quick addendum. Tomorrow morning, Kevin and I are also going to do another compression check to see, now that the bike has run, to see if the left cylinder comes up any. 90 in the left cylinder. Yeah, left cylinder is 90, right cylinder is 120. Let's see if, having run for a while, they change any. That'd be nice. So we'll do that tomorrow morning also.